వెల్కమ్ టు కాంపిటేటివ్ ఎగ్జామ్స్ కార్నర్. ఏపీపీఎస్సి గ్రూప్ 2 మెయిన్స్‌కి సంబంధించిన ముఖ్యమైన ప్రశ్నలుకి సంబంధించి మనము ఒకటో రోజు, రెండో రోజు మనము ఇది సైన్స్ అండ్ టెక్నాలజీకి సంబంధించి ఆహ్, మీతో నేను కొన్ని ముఖ్యమైన ప్రశ్నల్ని మీకు ఇవ్వడం జరిగింది. సో, ఈరోజు మూడవ రోజు. ఈరోజు హిస్టరీకి సంబంధించి ప్రశ్నలు ఇప్పుడు చూద్దాం. వాట్ ఈస్ ద నేమ్ ఆఫ్ ద ఫస్ట్ Telugu library established in Hyderabad by Kommaraju Lakshmanarao? Answer: Sri Krishnadevaraya Andhra Bhasha Nilayam. Second question: in which year was Chittoor constituted as a separate district of Andhra Pradesh? Answer: 1911. Next, which place in Andhra Pradesh was famous for carpets during the 19th century? Answer: Eluru. After coming to India, where did the Dutch establish their first factory in Andhra Pradesh? Answer: Masulipattnam. Next, Machilipatnam of the Golconda Kingdom was famous for the trade of which precious material during the 1600s? Answer: diamonds. Next, sixth question: which Mughal emperor acquired the kingdom of Golconda in 1687? Answer: Aurangzeb. Next, in which year was the journal named as the Vivekavadini established by Kandukuri Veerasalingam? Answer: 1874. Next, in which year was the Krishna District Association formed to fight against the British rule on many social issues? Answer: 1892. In which year did the British establish their factory in Nellore district of Andhra Pradesh? Answer: 1626. Next, పదవ బిట్ అండి. Who among the following French governors was appointed as the viceroy of all the territory south of River Krishna by Muzaffar Jung after he became the Nizam? Answer: Joseph Dupleix. Next, name the well-known social reformer from Andhra Pradesh who wrote the first novel in Telugu? Answer: Kandukuri Veerasalingam. Next, which of the following revolt took place in 1922 in Andhra Pradesh against British Raj for their imposition of Madras Forest Act 1882? Answer: Rampa Revolt. In which of the following districts of Andhra Pradesh forest satyagraha was led by uh, riots in 1921? Answer is Guntur. Next, the play uh, Neil Turpin is associated with the following revolts. Answer: Indigo Revolt. Next, who is called as a Loka Hitavadi? Answer: Gopal Hari Deshmukh. Next, Burra caves in Andhra Pradesh were formed by which of the following rivers? Answer: Gosthani. Next, Sribag Pact was signed in the year 1937. Next, which season of Andhra Mahasabha demanded a separate Telugu University? Answer: first session. Next, which of the following metals was not used by Satavahanas in issuing coins? Answer is nickel. Who was the founder of Brahma Samaj with the combined Andhra Pradesh? Answer: Kandukuri Veerasalingam. Next, Dash is considered as the father of Telugu uh, Renaissance movement and was a great social reformer. Answer: Kandukuri Veerasalingam. Next, which chief minister of the Madras presidency in the early 1920s said that the Kukum River should be kept as a boundary, giving the northern portion to Andhras and the southern portion to Tamils? Answer: Panaganti Rama Raya Ningar. Next, which of the following statements is, is incorrect? about the Telugu Desam Party. So the Telugu Desam Party was formed in March 1982. Next, Telugu was the first regional party in independent India to have formed the main opposition in the 88th Lok Sabha in 1984. So N.T. Ramarao, who founded the Telugu Desam Party and served as the chief minister for Andhra Pradesh for over 6 years. And Marok option, uh, TDP espoused no specific ideology except for its commitment of safeguarding the political, economic, social, and cultural foundations of Telugu speaking people. సో దీనికి కరెక్ట్ కానిది ఏది అంటే ఇదన్నమాట. అంటే ఎన్టీ రామారావు హూ ఫౌండెడ్ ద తెలుగుదేశం పార్టీ సర్వ్డ్ యాజ్ ద చీఫ్ మినిస్టర్ ఆఫ్ ఆంధ్రప్రదేశ్ ఫర్ 6 years అనేది ఇక్కడ కరెక్ట్ కానిది. మిగిలినవన్నీ కూడా కరెక్టే అనమాట. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ బిట్ చూద్దాం. At the time of integration of Hyderabad state to the Union of India, which was the ruling dynasty? Answer, Asaf Zahi. Next, in the post-independent India, in 1953, Andhra state was the first state to be formed on the linguistic basis. Which of the following was the capital of Andhra state? Answer is a Kurnool. Next, what was the name of the operation launched by the Indian Army in September 1948 to integrate Hyderabad state with the Union of India? Answer is a Polo. Next, the Rempa rebellion was fought by Alluri Sitaramaraju against the oppressive Madras Forest Act, which was passed by the British in the year 1882. Next, what was the name of the newspaper started by the Tanguturi Prakasham? Answer, Swarajya. Next, who among the following established a journal called Vivekavadini for propagating his reforms in the social and literary fields? Answer, Kandukuri Viresa Lingam. Next, in which year was the president's rule first imposed in the state of Andhra Pradesh? Answer, 1973. Who among the following never served as the chief minister of Andhra Pradesh? So Bhavanam Venkatram, Bejawada Gopal Reddy, Marri Chennareddy and Pingali Venkayya. పింగళి వెంకయ్య గారు ఇప్పటిదాకా ఆయన ఆంధ్రప్రదేశ్ చీఫ్ మినిస్టర్గా ఆయన పని చేయలేదన్నారు. సో మిగిలిన ముగ్గురు కూడా ఆంధ్రప్రదేశ్ ముఖ్యమంత్రులుగా పనిచేశారు, ఆయన పని చేయలేదు. నెక్స్ట్, వాట్ వాజ్ ద కోడ్ నేమ్ ఆఫ్ ద పోలీస్ యాక్షన్ taken by the Indian government against the Nizam of Hyderabad for merging Hyderabad with the Indian Union 1948? Answer, Operation Polo. What was the capital city of the Andhra state that was separated from the Madras state in 1953? Answer is a Kurnool. Who was the chairman of the commission appointed by the government of India in 1948 to examine if the states could be set up on linguistic basis, referring to the possibility of the creation of states of Maharashtra, Andhra, Karnataka and Kerala? Answer, S.K. Dhar. Next, who was the first governor of Andhra Pradesh state that came into being on 1st November 1956? Answer, Chandulala Madhavlal Trivedi. Next, which of the following statements is true regarding the Tanguturi Prakasham? So he was the first chief minister of Andhra state. So next మరికొన్ని బిట్స్ నెక్స్ట్ వీడియోలో మనం డిస్కస్ చేద్దాం. నమస్తే, థ్యాంక్ యూ, జై హింద్.